the HOWO NX 371 horsepower 6-4 dump truck. Built tough for heavy construction work. Modern rugged ENC series cab design. Bold blue exterior ready for the job site. High-strength steel front bumper. Comfortable air suspension seat. Full instrument panel and air conditioning. Low noise interior for long shifts. Capacity, 1620 cubic meters. Payload up to 35-40 tons. Fast stable hydraulic lifting system. Durable body for mining and construction. 371 horsepower output 2 euros emission standard. 1900 nanometers max torque for heavy loads. Turbocharged and intercooled for efficiency. 6.4 heavy-duty chassis layout. 10-speed manual transmission. Heavy-duty front axle 9.5 tons. Dual rear axles 16 tons each. Reliable leaf spring suspension. Reliable cost-effective heavy truck. Ideal for Africa, Middle East and CIS markets. Ready for bulk export and customization. Contact us for price and delivery details.